Bye bye lagok cho. Batam ne sigigo. Wanganye je bye bye. Wanganye sanego. Epale bani biwo.
Haya, makofi, 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 makofi.
Now I want to take this opportunity once again to welcome you all to St. Paul's Mokwa Mixed Day and Boarding Primary School, whereby we are very grateful for the facility that it has been given to us.
We are really happy to be here today to launch the library. And when we started this project, there was the former principal, and they really embraced the idea of having the library. And when we saw this library, we knew that the school deserved the library, and the kids were performing well. So we felt that if we can give them books, I'm sure they will perform even better. And when the new principal came, you could not even feel that like there's a gap. She understood the importance of the library, and she and our team, the teachers, really supported us, and we were really happy. So we set up the project, and the kids were also there. We trained them, and during the training, you could see that they were excited about the books. The kids could just go look at the book. Even the first time when we came here, we brought 100 books, and the kids were like scrambling to check a book. And it was really exciting, and it was satisfying to know that these books will be read.
What a wonderful day it is to meet Rita Phil-Masham. Welcome to Mokwa. Feel welcome and at home. When we see you, we see the library, a wonderful gift you have given to St. Paul's Mokwa Primary School. May God richly bless you for your thoughtfulness and gratitude. The library will impact generation. Reading will impact knowledge. May God richly bless you.
Where we've witnessed this morning, students freely using it, teachers excited about it, and so we know it'll also improve the teacher skills, and it will help them make the classes more exciting and interesting and more impactful on the students' education. So thank you very much, and as you've heard from our team, we'll continue to support you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rita, and your team. We thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. We thank the foundation also for being there. And thank you also for pledging to continuously support us.
I've come to realize the dream of knowledge is power today. Truly, knowledge is power. To have such a facility is very handy, especially to the learners. I must appreciate the good Lord who really inspired you so that you choose to empower the younger ones, especially in our school. Good Lord may really bless you and bless the work of your hands.